Hello guys and welcome back to my another English speaking real life practice video. My name is Ashwini and I'm from Maharashtra. In today's video we are going to learn real life English speaking. So guys, right now you can see behind me that is my grandfather, elder brother, and what he is doing. He has come here to weeding their fence area because he want to their under fence area. He want to weed it because it's monsoon season and everywhere is just grass. So we must clean it because when grass will grow highly or grass will grow, then we have hard to pull it out grass. So that's why he has come there to weed their grass. And here you can see my grandparents. Still sun is sunny and we are doing here, not I am, they are doing here, they are chopping here firewoods, and it's so sunny right now. I am feeling warm here, and maybe I'm not, my skin is not sweaty, so my sweat is not falling or rolling down because my skin is dry skin. And you can see my grandfather is just chopping this, and my grandmother is helping my grandmother. And the both are in my both grandparents holding an axe. The both hands have an axe, and they both are chopping. We almost done this our chopping work. This is babul tree, but this tree is dai tree because it has bent. And guys, you can see this. This is what say? This is wood, or you can see this is bark. This is bark, and like this is trunk, and I show you these are roots, and they both are doing work here. But today I don't have anything to show you or practice you because they always do this work, and it's scorching right now. We are not able to do fun here because it's hot and everyone feel tired, and still they are doing work there. So you know what guys, right now I have come here under the shade of bubble tree and I am recording myself here. You can see and look at that man, he is weeding. You can see in that man hand has a sickle, and both my grandparents are doing their work. You can see this is sack of firewoods, or you can say pile. This is creeper like doing going on these branches, and this all are bushes, or you can say grass. And look at guys, grandpa's elder brother, how is he looking? Look at this, he is putting that thorny branch here because he want more place. Why he want more place? Because you can understand these things happens in villages. People always fight each other they don't understand. They both are brothers. They argue. They argue so. They argue because of their field area or their place, and they fight each other. They destroy each other body. They hit each other because of ground. These things are also happening in villages. It and sometimes you hear that a big brother or younger brother hit the head of elder brother because of their field issue. These things are very bad, and these things are also still happening in villages because people don't understand. We are born in this earth for living life, but one day everyone go without anything. And when we was born, that time we don't have anything, and still when we will die, we can't carry anything with us. Why we are fighting each other and why we are feeling jealous each other, I don't know. Because if you want to achieve something, you work for that. Why you are just want free things are not your things. You can achieve those things. You try to achieve those things, and then you have that what say you have that proud feeling and all feelings, satisfaction feeling, because we did that work and we feel happy because we achieved with your hard work those things. And like, this is twink or wood, you can say, guys. I'm doing here English practice, but still I don't want to do anything today because it's so warm here feeling. And my grandfather is sitting over there. I show you, and grandmother, she's so hardworking woman, so she always want to do something. She never like to sit only. Hmm. And you can see, guys, here here is our home. I am hanging here these keys because I don't have two pockets in my pants, so I prefer to hang there. And keys are hanging here. This is my tripod. Maybe I thought maybe they were doing something great things. Then I'll record with my mobile. I put tripod there. I'll go to help them, but they still are not doing anything because it's so warm here, guys. I don't tell you how is warming here. And you know what? Grandmother is doing still work here. Grandfather is sitting over there on that little type wall or anything. Guys, if you want to learn tenses or new actions, vocabulary, tell me. I'll try to make video on that because when you learn tenses, then you can speak English very very easily. Tenses are very important in English speaking, and I want to make video on tenses. Right now I'm recording, so like this kind of things I am recording video. This is present continuous tense, and my grandfather is sitting there. This is present continuous tense, and now you can see my grandmother is gathering firewoods, or you can say twigs. This is also present continuous tense. And now guys, there that my grandfather elder brother, he is weeding. This is also present continuous tense. Now my grandmother is striking. My grandmother is striking. This is also present continuous tense. And struck. She struck. This is past tense. Like this kind of tense, when you learn, then you can understand English easily. I hope guys you learned something new in this video. If you have any question, doubt, please ask me in comment, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning, keep speaking. Bye bye.